Alright, so I just booted up New Leaf, and this is how it's looking so far. I wanted to document the houses because this is so pretty. There's a cockroach. I'm not sure when the last time this game was played, but it's definitely been years. There you go. Go in this one. Oh, I thought I killed this guy. Got a bunch of fish. And this is the same floor I use for my bathroom in New Horizons. They don't have this in New Horizons, I think. And then the back room. Oh, pet hamster. Another cockroach. That's just cute. Art, a fossil, more. There's a spider in there? Oh, it's a fish. I couldn't tell. Nice room decor. This room. This should be the kitchen. More cockroaches. They have a nice mushroom theme. Oh, this is their bedroom. What? I don't think we have these in New Horizons. Get the news going on. The time and date are wrong, obviously. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Got a table. Got a pet. Trying to see what animal is in here. Butterfly. And got the mushroom walls too. The floor and the walls matching. Ooh, this lamp is really pretty right here. And we'll do upstairs first. This is the, I guess like, wow. Another room. These are huge. There's only like, every room is like, really just the main room that's big. And then the other ones are small. And then the upstairs and downstairs are also kind of big. There you go. So pretty. Oh, let me see if they have clothes. Yep. Alright, this is the basement. Pretty empty. Alright, this one is not my house. There are 3 other users on the save data. And seems like they've only gotten upstairs. Oh, that's cute. Wonder if I could turn on the computer. Oh, yeah. Oh. Alright. So I started talking to Whitney because she's the first villager I ran into, but I'm trying to document the cute houses because I am deleting the save data to make my own. And yeah. I really don't know when the last time it was played, but it really has been years. Sorry, Whitney, we won't see each other ever again. This is a villager house. And this is, I can't check their mail since I'm not on their save data, but I can go in their house. Alright, this one seems to only have an upstairs. Mushroom bed. I don't think there's music playing. I have to stand in front of it. Okay, no music. This is so cute. Oh, I really like the chunky pixels. That's what I really like about the 3DS. It reminds me of those really rare Japanese, like tiny playsets that they actually made for Animal Crossing, where you can actually buy the tiny furniture and set it up in the little house. The town has been super empty so far, but I found this. So cute. Here's the next house. So for this character, there wasn't any mail like from villagers or anything, but I don't think I'm gonna check the other save files. It's just a lot. So I wonder if any of the villagers sent mail. I cannot tell what this is in front. The tree has a bird, which is so cute. This one has a few more rooms. It seems like everyone has the mushroom furniture. The back room. Oh my goodness. I have a feeling it was like siblings sharing like one game, right? So they had 4 save files right here. That's so funny. They all put fish and bugs in their house. Last room is this one up here. You got the matching furniture set. They got a big bed. So cute. And that's it. And I'll be starting a new save data file.